Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at the Breville Barista Pro, right? ASINB08ZCMP8YR, the black truffle one, specifically?
And the Jura ENA 8, ASINB0CD316SK3 in Nordic White. Two very different beasts, I think. One's a hands-on hobby, the other's pure convenience.
Definitely. Let's dive in. Which one will win the battle of the beans? The Breville is all about getting hands-on. It's got an integrated conical burr grinder with dose control, so you're grinding your own fresh beans every time. You control the grind size, which is key.
The Jura also grinds fresh whole beans with its professional aroma grinder, but it's more of a push-a-button-and-go kind of experience. Super-automatic, as they say. No real control over grind size, though.
Yeah, that's the big difference. Are you a barista, or just want to asterisk B? Plan us one.
The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing wand, so you can really work on your latte art. It takes practice, but the power is there.
While the Jura does milk specialties with one touch. Easy, but maybe less control over the foam texture. It's consistent, but not tummy-custom. True. The Breville uses a thermojet heating system, so it heats up super fast, like in 3 seconds. Perfect for that morning rush.
The Jura has intelligent preheating, which is cool for maintaining optimal temperature, but yeah, probably not times 3 seconds fast. More like ready when time's ready.
Time is precious, especially before coffee.
The Breville has a LCD display that shows you grinding and extraction progress animations. It walks you through the process.
The Jura uses a touchscreen, which is pretty intuitive, and supposedly has optional AI that learns your preferences. Fancy! Does it actually work? Jury's out, I think. Both have adjustable grind control that's good for dialing in your perfect shot, though the Breville's is, again, more time manual.
The Jura lets you program coffee, strength, volume, and temperature, so it's really customizable on the drink side. You can even add an extra shot.
The Breville comes with a stainless steel milk jug, cleaning kit, and the Razor Precision Dose trimming tool, all the accessories you need to get started.
The Jura includes a filter, which is essential for water quality, and uses its 8th generation brew unit.
Practical things.
The Breville is bigger. Its product dimensions are 13.5 dx 13.9 wx 16 inches h. So make sure you have counter space.
The Jura is more compact at 10.7 dx 17.5 wx 12.7 h, good for smaller kitchens. So if you want that hands-on barista-style experience and enjoy the process of making coffee, the Breville Barista Pro is the way to go. Plus, it's currently on sale.
But if you want convenience and automation, a smaller footprint, and are willing to pay a bit more, quite a bit more actually, the Jura ENA 8 could be a great choice. It's about twice the price.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.